Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, looking at Facebook on the daily and weekly time frame. So a pullback today, no follow through. Well, I shouldn't say no follow through because we did get a higher high. We did break the high of yesterday for the bulls, so started strong, but then certainly bulls unable to counteract that big market pullback today. So the bears stepped in. We did see a drop down to 122.07, but the bulls bought that dip and held this 10-day moving average support. We have now back tested and held this 10-day moving average support 4 times on this uptrend. So that is a strong indication of that support holding, and we're in a very bullish channel between the 10-day support and the upper Bollinger Band resistance. If we lose this 10-day moving average support, then it's a red flag for the short-term bulls. And I want to specify short-term bulls because you look at the weekly chart, and although it's a bearish reversal candlestick with a long upper wick from last week, we are in a very clear longer-term uptrend, and there is no worry here for the bulls. So even if we lose that 10-day, the longer term is still very much so bullish. But if we lose that 10-day, we're looking at the middle Bollinger Band, 120.13. We'll be watching volume. If we get an increase in bearish volume, that would also be a red flag. And if the bulls can head back up towards 124.80 resistance tomorrow, that will show that this pullback was not too significant and the bulls are still strong in the short term. So the weekly support is down at the 10-week, down at 117.65, and that will be our target if we form a bearish reversal candlestick this week and see some confirmation next week. 120 is also a very strong psychological support. Look at all these rejections from that resistance, so it will now be support. I appreciate you watching. Tomorrow will be very telling with regards to the market and individual names. And Facebook does have a lower wick, bigger than some individual names, certainly bigger than Apple's. But we'll see if we can maintain 10-day moving average support tomorrow. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you after the bell tomorrow to recap the action.